Hi again, welcome back to the kitchen. Okay, what I am doing today is a French onion chicken. I'm not going to say French dip because here in Louisiana it's a total different thing. I'm making this a little bit more creamier, so I don't want to offend anybody by saying French dip like I keep seeing on the internet or YouTube. Okay, it's a simple, quick dump crockpot meal. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and dump this can of cream of chicken, and of course this is a cheat meal. Dump that cream of chicken in there, get all the goodness out. Okay, almost got it. Get a better little spoon. Don't want to waste. I think this will be good tonight for another cold night. Dump this in my trash bowl, but I am going to clean this afterwards. For the recycle, it's always best if you clean it out. Otherwise, from what I hear, a lot of stuff will get thrown away. So, just little tip. I'm putting this in the bowl instead of just dumping it right in the crock pot, which you can do. I just want to make sure it's all mixed up real well. No lumps. That mixed up. Oh, that smells so good. That oniony. And make it even more. Mix in some onion soup mix. Onion soup mix is good for so many things. It just gives such good flavor. And I've got my crock pot right here. I have put a bag in there because it just makes the cleanup so much easier. Okay, got that. And oh, I might have to clean that off. Got my chicken. They're not totally thawed out, so that's all right. So I'm gonna cook it low and slow. Oops. I always have to have something. You know, I should save some of this stuff, some of these videos, all the crazy stuff that happens, to do some blooper reels. But I always end up deleting. Y'all don't see half of the crazy stuff that happens. Go ahead and put that right in there. Let me rinse my hands real quick. Soap. I hate to handle anything after handling the chicken. Okay, and I am gonna flip those over in there so each side has some of that flavor on there. Okay, need a little help there. Just put a little bit of Italian seasoning. First, I want to put my onions. Thinly sliced onions. Yes, that's a lot of onions. I like a lot of garlic and a lot of onion. You just put however much you want them there. And the garlic. Wow. Look at this garlic. Have you ever seen anything that big? So, I had another one peeled, and I said, oh, that's not enough. I need to get some more. And this was the smallest chunk. That's all right. Can't have too much garlic. Okay. I wonder how many people from Louisiana actually watch. If you're a new subscriber and I don't know you, you're from Louisiana, let me know. As a matter of fact, just Let me know where everybody's from. Put it in the comments. I had a comment from a new subscriber yesterday from Houston, so she's my neighbor. I'm not using all of that garlic because that was a lot. I'll chop it up and save it and use it for something else. Okay. Get my hands wiped off. I'm going to put a little bit of Italian seasoning. You can use just thyme if you want, or whatever. Okay, and I'm not adding any salt because that French onion soup and the onion soup mix, all of it has got so much salt already. I will taste it along the way and see if I need to add. Whoops. Sorry about that. Okay, put the lid on. And I started to add some kind of liquid, but this makes so much liquid. I think that French onion soup mix was going to be enough. Okay, so I'm going to do it low and slow. I'm going to set it for 8 hours. I'll probably be done before that, but okay. We will be back and let y'all see how the yumminess and what else I've got to add to it. All right, it hasn't been quite 6 hours, but it is ready. I've tested it. I've broken some of it up already. Lid off. Stir it up a little bit. It didn't need any more salt or anything else. Break it up. I already broke it up some. It's so tender. Shoot, it's even more tender now than it was. It's just falling apart. Okay. I am going to add some provolone cheese. You can have provolone, Swiss, whatever. But I feel like some provolone today. I am going to go ahead and get a little bit before I put on there. Do my little taste. Which I did a while ago. It's simmered a little bit more since then. I'll see that. Okay. I could eat it now without the provolone, but it's so good. Can I have me some sliced provolone? Lay a few on there. And then we'll just let it cook up till that melts. I'll probably add some more when I come back to it. Put the lid back on. I'm actually going to turn it off. Actually, I'm going to put it back on warm. Put it on warm. There we go. Okay. I can come back and show it to y'all with the cheese melted, but y'all get the gist of it. Thank you for sticking with me, and y'all have a blessed night. And stay warm.